Are you thinking of becoming a real estate agent in Florida? Well, let me save you hours of research and give you the exact steps and tips so that you can start strong. Welcome back to Francisco's Key Insights. I'm Francisco, real estate agent and mortgage loan originator in Florida. If you're serious about becoming a real estate agent and building a successful career, you came to the right spot. Let's break down the process and give you some tips that I wish someone would have told me when I was starting out. Before anything, let's make sure you qualify. You must be 18 years of age. You must have a high school diploma or equivalent like a GED. You must have a valid social security number. And most importantly, be honest. You will have to pass a background check. If you've had any criminal history or financial issues, be upfront. Lying will do more harm than good. You'll need to complete a 63-hour approved course that covers Florida real estate law, principles, and practices. You can do this online or in person. My biggest tip is to choose a course that gives you a strong exam prep. The exam prep is everything. Once you finish the course, you'll need to apply for the state exam through the Florida Department of Business and Professional Regulation. This includes submitting fingerprints and paying application fees. Make sure you schedule your fingerprints early. This step could sometimes cause delay in the process. The exam consists of 100 multiple choice questions. You need to get a 75% in order to pass. Listen, it's not a walk in the park, but it's completely doable if you prep accordingly. Please don't cram for this. Study a little bit every day. Take your time and go over the math formulas. This is something that trips a lot of people up. The last thing you want to do is go to a broker where you don't have the appropriate support and training. Real estate is not easy. It can be difficult, but it's not impossible. The training is paramount. I myself have been with 3 different brokerages, and I'm happy with the one I am now. I wish I would have known how important the training was when I first started. And even though there is a brand, every office is different. So go in there, interview them, get to meet people, and make your choice. And now the real work begins. Marketing yourself, learning contracts, knowing the market, and building relationships. Don't wait for perfection to start. Start making your phone calls right away. You're only gonna learn through trial and error. You're only gonna learn with experience. Becoming a real estate agent in Florida is one thing, but building a successful real estate business is another. But if you take it seriously and stay consistent and with the right support, success is inevitable. You just gotta push through. It is not easy. If you're starting in the real estate business or are looking to, and you need some advice or some assistance, feel free to reach out to me. I'm here to help guide you. Once again, thank you for watching Francisco's Key Insights. See you next time.